Okay then, the spuds are here. Thanks once again, Bridge End Garden Centre. So all that remains to be done now is to get the first batch in the post. So we go from this to this, sort of like this. What I've done, I've got the bag of potatoes, I've gone through them, I've looked for seed spuds with around minimum of 4 eyes on. Most have got 4 to be honest. So I got them and I got me trusty wrapping paper, this expanding stuff. Good stuff this. I've used this where I can, but I've used a bit of old Amazon paper anyway. Wrap them up nice and gently so they're all protected in the post. I got me little set of rules, instruction sheet and that sort of thing, and a welcome and a thank you, whatever it is, in the envelope. Seal it up. I've got loads of address labels ready to go and stick them all on, and they end up like this. And the postman is coming in about 10 minutes to take those first 4 bags away. Well, good luck everybody. Still got a few more to join over the weekend. They're away at the moment. I reckon it's going to be a good one this year. And again, it's a surprise potato. I've never heard of the variety. And, well, you know, I'll give you a clue. It's out of stock everywhere I look. Main crop, high yielder apparently, so we'll see, we'll see. We got to try and get over that 22 kilogram mark. We got to knock Robert off his throne and Rob and Wendy from the year before. Take care guys, catch you on the next video.